Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
If your refrigerator is not cooling, start by checking the thermostat to ensure it's not set too high. Next, inspect the coils behind or beneath the refrigerator. If they're dusty, clean them with a vacuum or brush. Also, make sure the fridge has enough space from the wall for proper air circulation. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it could indicate a problem with the refrigerator's compressor or coolant system, which typically requires professional repair.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.